water completely, there's a good chance we got another ladyfish hooked up here. Is that it? Good gracious. Come on. Yep. Yeah. Oh no. Look at this, guys. Check this out. This is not what I was expecting to be doing this morning, okay? I got 2 fish on right here. I got a blue runner, hardtail, right there. Listen to him croak. We're going to toss him back. And I got a ladyfish. All right. So what does that tell you? That tells you these are the schools of fish that are coming down the beach right now, unfortunately. Man, that's kind of a bummer. We can only go up from here, guys. Oh, really? Slung my bait off. We're on again on the little rod, dude. What the crap, man? The little rod is just getting smoked right now. I'm not seeing a jump here. Oh, whoa. Oh my goodness, whatever I had just got eaten. Guys, I had a fish and he just got eaten. Really? Unbelievable. I just lost all of my tackle on my little rod. You know, in the grand scheme of things, I'm not having a good trip. I get it. But our luck could change any minute. Change any minute out here. That's what's good about surf fishing. Oh, we just